Good morning, children. Today we are going to begin with the next topic, that is fiber to fabrics. Now let's see what we are going to discuss in this topic. The objectives covered will be the need for clothes, why clothing is required, history of clothing, fiber to fabric, okay, how fabric is produced from fibers, then types of fibers, that's natural fiber and synthetic fibers. Under natural fibers, we'll be doing plant and animal fibers. So, why are clothes required? Early man did not wear clothes, wrong back. Okay. Later on, slowly they realized that to protect themselves from various weather conditions, they need clothes, right? So they used to wear clothes you made up of leaves. Then slowly they came up to the skin of animals, and that way, once fibers were invented, or you can say discovered, then they started again making clothes out of fibers. But then they realized that they require clothes for protecting them from different weather conditions. It's also an adornment because it helps us to look good. Okay, we do try to wear good clothes because we want to look good, and an identification. Why an identification? Because by looking at the person's clothes, we can, come to know on which culture the person belongs to. Okay, so clothes also identifies culture of the particular person. Now we come to the history of clothing. As you can see, early man, they used to use either leaves or animal skin to cover their body and protect them from various weather conditions. Later on, when as I told you, when cotton was developed, then cotton clothes were used, but then there was no stitching. So long pieces of cloth was just draped around. That was the method in which they used to cover their body. And later on, when stitching began, then you started wearing all stitched clothes. Now, in the next class, we'll be dealing with how fabric is made from fibers. Thank you.